Hey everybody, Julie here with Mint Personal Chef, and I'm about to cook dinner, so I thought I would hop on a live video and show you guys how to cook up some, we're going to be cooking spiced shrimp with a goat cheese polenta, and then also some sautéed mushrooms and some spinach too. So nothing too crazy, it's actually pretty quick. I've prepped some of the ingredients already, so I want to just kind of show you my little process here. So come on over, I'll show you my prepped ingredients. Oh, and also, since I'm not cooking for any clients tonight, having a glass of wine, so cheers. Don't know if you guys had dinner already or not, but anyways, come to my kitchen. Here I got some chopped up mushrooms, I have some onion, garlic, I have my little seasoning mix that I made that I'm gonna throw on the shrimp. It's just a little paprika, oregano, a little cumin, got my goat cheese, lemon, and some polenta here. So first up, I'm gonna start boiling the liquid to cook the polenta. So I'll get that going. So I have my shrimp all ready to go too. It's all deveined and peeled. I'm just chilling that in the fridge until we cook it. Is anyone with us right now live? I got Ralph here who's helping be the cameraman. Who's on right now? Anyone? Let's see. Oh! Borum and cool. Alright, so got my milk and I'm gonna do half milk and half water for it. So I'm just gonna fill up some water here too. Alright. And I'm gonna turn that on and start boiling it. So it's 1 cup of polenta that I'm doing, and then 3 cups of liquid. So we're gonna bring it up to a boil, and then we're gonna slowly whisk in the polenta, whisk in the goat cheese. It's gonna be nice and creamy, and we'll season that up too. Then in my other saute pan here, I'm gonna start cooking up the mushrooms, onions, and then we'll throw in the spinach last. So I'm gonna get it all nice and hot. And I got some olive oil here. Ooh, look at that drizzle. Yum. Anyone else cooking right now or just having dinner? I don't know if we can see comments. No comments or anything? Alright, so we'll wait for that to heat up. Got my huge thing of spinach that I bought and I wanted to use it up, so this is going to be a great way to use some of it. Costco problems. And what else? Yeah, so I guess in the meantime I'm going to season up the shrimp. Here, yum yum. So always with a little salt and pepper can get in there. I'm just gonna eyeball it here. I'm using pink Himalayan. I like pink Himalayan salt mainly because I use it a lot because I got a huge thing at Costco of it. It's not a Costco promotion. And I like to use it. Oh, I threw a little bit of cayenne in here too just to make it a little spicy. But you could always leave that out if you like it more mild too. Yum. I love blackened shrimp. Yum, looks so delish. Alright. Gonna come over here to the stove. And I'm gonna throw in, start sauteing up some of these mushrooms. And I'm gonna put some salt and pepper here too. Looks like a lot, but they really cook down a lot, so. And my onion's pretty finely minced, so I'll add in those too. I like to get them a little caramelized. Oh my gosh, those smell so good already. And I don't want my milk to burn. It sucks when milk boils over, so you just gotta keep an eye on that guy. Yum. Oh, got Taylor on and Borum. Awesome. All right. Cook those babies. And the shrimp is gonna cook super. The shrimp is gonna cook super fast, so I'm just gonna wait to cook that until the polenta's almost done. That way we can plate it all up nice and hot, because Ralph and I here, we're gonna have this for dinner. So it's gonna be too much for just the two of us, so I'm probably gonna put some for meal prep too. So I'll do like 2 for plated for dinner and then a couple for meal prep so we can have for lunch or dinner the next day too. Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. All right, I guess I prepped too many things ahead of time, so otherwise I could have been chopping stuff up right now. Ooh, that pepper made me sneeze. Ow. I hit my elbow.
Drink some wine, babe. You have some wine.
Oh man, I hit my elbow on the fridge just now. Got a tight space here. Alright, anyways, I'm just gonna chill the shrimp in the fridge while we're waiting to just keep that nice and cold. I actually already had some stuff that I wanted to use up too. Like, I had like a bunch of spinach and goat cheese, so I thought this would be a great way to use it. And like, I had some scallions prepped already, so I hate wasting food and I hate when it goes bad, so I always try to make something out of it. It's kind of cool because you can get a little creative, like what can I make with the ingredients that I still have left over in my fridge. So helps with a little creativity. And just stir these babies. Where's my spoon? Yum. Looking delish already. The milk is already starting to kind of come up to temp. So just keeping an eye on that. Don't want it to burn on the bottom either, so I like to whisk it every so often. Oops. Alright, I like to have my polenta all ready to go, so as soon as it comes up to temp, we'll just, whisk it right in there. Have you guys made polenta at all? It's super quick. Super quick and delicious, so I like using it for a quick dinner. These actually look really bomb. You can see it's getting a little flavorful on the sides there, so that doesn't burn, we can always add in a little water too, and just, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so flavorful with that. I'm gonna throw in this garlic. I just did a couple cloves of garlic. I'm a strong believer in garlic. So throwing the garlic in the last couple of minutes, and then gonna get a little water. So yum. Looks so bomb already. Just gonna throw in a little water to the mushroom. You can throw in a little lemon too. I always love adding like a touch of citrus. You can see like the parts that like would have got burned now. It's actually just making the mushrooms more flavorful. So, you can't overcook mushrooms and onions, so that's why I started cooking those right away. We'll kind of wilt the spinach in it at the end while we're cooking the shrimp. So I'm just gonna throw in a little lemon here. Oh yeah, always gotta have the lemon. And save some of the lemon for the shrimp later. Oh my gosh, the pepper is making my nose run. The pepper and the spices. All right. Now it's just the waiting game. And what shall we do when we wait? Drink some more wine. Cheers. Where's your wine, Ralph? Just gonna pour some more wine here.
Talk about the wine.
Oh, okay, so this one's just like a Pinot Grigio that I got. This one, it says notes of pear and peach, which Pinot Grigio is like really light. I like it with shrimp. I think it'll go well. Where's our whisk? So the milk, you can see, is boiling up. So I actually caught it perfect timing right now. So while that's boiling, now we're just gonna take our polenta here and slowly whisk it in. And it's boiling hot. I like using the milk too because it makes it like creamier. You could use all water though, or even broth, like a chicken broth or vegetable broth if you're vegan. And polenta is gluten-free too for all the gluten-free people. Just keeping an eye on my mushrooms. All right, so now we're just gonna let that cook. Polenta gets really thick really quick, so hence the whisk. The whisk keeps it smooth. So, yum. Oh, yeah, and I want to add so I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper to it too. So a little salt, a little pepper, and add some goat cheese up in there. Oh my god, goat cheese is like one of my faves. It's gonna be so creamy and delicious. Oh yeah, see, it's already getting pretty thick there. It's already thickening up. We just want to make sure it's cooked too. Oh yeah. Reminding me to stir the mushrooms as the camera goes over there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so bomb. Hey Ralph, did we get any comments or anything? Anybody got any questions about what we're cooking? I don't know how many people we have on right now. So for people who maybe just joined, we're cooking like a blackened shrimp with spices, lemon, cooking goat cheese polenta, some sautéed mushrooms, and then also we're gonna throw in a little spinach in there. Actually, sometimes I like to throw a little balsamic in my mushrooms too. I think I'll throw we put lemon, which is sour, but I like adding just like maybe a touch of balsamic because it adds a little sweetness to it, which is like super delish. All right, I'm just gonna give these a taste, see how it's tasting, and then let them cook a little bit. So got a tasting spoon over here. It's like piping hot. The goat cheese. Just gonna throw that. Alright, so anyways, super quick. I think we can cook up our shrimp and then our spinach and then just the polenta will finish cooking and then we can plate it up for dinner. Are you ready? Look at that shrimp. So many spicy deliciousness. Alright, so I'm gonna heat up my other pan over here. Gotta get that oil. Gotta get that oil in there. Get it nice and hot. Okay. Gotta do the swirl. Yum. Now, if the polenta gets too dry, we can always add a little bit more liquid too. Nobody likes clumpy polenta. So, want to make sure it's nice and smooth. All right. So, just bring this pan up to temp. And then start cooking our shrimps. And over here, I already have the plates already too. Get my little bowls. Got my cute little in-person chef. All right. Just get that nice and hot. Drink some wine. Cheers. In Greek we say yamas. So if you want to know if your pan's hot enough, you can always test one too. You can just test one little shrimp. And you can see as soon as it starts to sizzle like that, it's like, okay, the pan's hot enough. So go ahead and just throw in the shrimp. Okay. And where are my tongs? Got my. Just gonna throw in some spinach over here. Over here. Over here, cameraman. Just toss in the spinach. And then I can always add more seasoning too. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. Oh heck yeah. It's getting hot in here. We don't have that much shrimp that we're cooking up, but you can always cook it in batches too to really get that nice, like, blackened. Giving this a good stir here. I'm just gonna throw the lid on this. And just wait till these are cooked through. Shrimp. I love doing shrimp for a quick dinner because they cook so fast. And got our spinach over here. Gonna add a little bit more. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a couple of the meal prep containers ready too, so I can throw some in there and plate it up. You can like always cut, like you can always like taste one of the shrimps too by just cutting it on the side. Have one of your family members test it for you. Just gonna test one of these. All right, shrimp's looking pretty good. Yum. Look at that, so bomb. Bomb.com. All right, Ralph, show them around. Show them each of these things here. We just got we got the balsamic mushrooms and the spinach. We got the shrimp with the spices, and we got this creamy polenta with goat cheese. All right, I'm just gonna taste one of these shrimps. Oh, you know what? Totally forgot to add the lemon. Knew it was missing something. That's why you gotta taste it. Just gonna. All right, for the camera.
Oh, it's frozen.
For the camera, I'm gonna.
So I'm gonna take a photo.
All right. For the camera, I'm gonna just get a nice. Oh yeah, the juicy shot. Yum. Looks bomb. All right, guys. All right, guys. Ready to plate it up? Okay. Oh yeah. Just gotta approve the polenta one more time. You know what? I'm just gonna add like a little bit more salt in here. Just need like just a tad bit more. Oh my god, this is piping hot. Oh yeah, and then I just need my 2 meal prep containers. Got a couple for meal prep. Come on, guys. Got a meal prep. Got my little garnish already over here. All right. Where's my big spoon at? Ready to plate it up? So, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh yeah. So good. It's actually a pretty simple dinner you could bake. You can see it didn't take that long. I actually have enough for maybe one more meal prep container. And I'm gonna get my towel so I don't burn myself. Some nice spinach. Oh yeah. Got the earthiness from the mushrooms, a little sweetness and sourness from the balsamic and the lemon, the tanginess from the goat cheese, and then the different spices that we use. Oh my gosh. Got so many flavors in this dish. Look at that. I'm gonna put some more over here. All right. And now those beautiful shrimps. Oh my gosh. Wish wish the shrimps were a little, these were the only ones they had at the store today. Wish they were a little bit larger so we could make it pretty, but this works too. Just gonna try to plate it a little bit nicely here for you guys to see. Just a nice simple dinner at home. Check it out, check it out. Wow, that was perfect. All right, first off, I don't want to forget about my wine for dinner. Yeah. I'm just gonna throw a little green onion on top. Kind of have the onions. Oh my gosh, this looks bomb. I always love doing like a little fresh herb or definitely something green just so it looks nice and pretty. Be excited to eat these meal preps tomorrow. All right, guys, our dinner is ready. So, did you show them the plates? Grab yourself a glass of wine, and I think we'll be ready to eat. It's perfect because the meal prep will cool down while we're eating dinner. So while we're eating and enjoying this, the meal prep will cool down. Since it's shrimp, we could throw it in the fridge a little bit to cool with the lids off, and then package it up, and you got yourself dinner and lunch for the next day. So awesome! My first live cooking video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and hope to do another one soon. So stay posted. Let me know if you make this dish and tag me, and I hope to see you soon. Happy eating, guys.